Hi, good morning everyone. Today our topic is elementary operation of matrix. So how you find the inverse of a matrix by using elementary operation method. In this, either you go with the rows or you go with the columns. So here I am discussing by both method, rows and columns. And first of all, we will check if there is a condition is written, whether it exists or not. Like I have a question, find P inverse if it exists, given if P matrix is given like 2 1 4 2. If you look at this matrix, row second is exactly same. If we like here, if you take 2 common from here, so that is exactly same with the first row. So in that case, but we are not going to check here determinant. So what we will do, we try to apply the operation. Like if you multiply row 1 with 2 and subtract if you multiply row 1 with 2 and subtract from row 2, so exactly your row 2 becomes 0 0. If any row 0 0, so that means further A inverses, like this P matrix inverse is not possible because row 2 is 0 on the left hand side. So this way you no need to go further. Next is, if I have a question, I want to find the A inverse. So in this minus 1 1 2 1 2 3 3 1 1, so elementary operation, if it is mentioned in your question, you have to use the row operation, so you have to go with the row operation. If it is written column operation, you can go with the column operation. But if no method is written, only elementary operation is written, so it's your choice, either you go with the row or either you go with the column. So here I'm solving this by row operation method. So I told you, so first you have to concentrate on the left hand side. So try to make this left hand side matrix same as your identity matrix, and we use the concept here. If I have a matrix is 3 by 3 form order is given, so first I go with A is equal to IA, because that is the same thing. If you multiply any matrix with identity matrix, your answer is same. So here it is minus 1 1 2 1 2 3 3 1 1. So first of all, I try to target this as identity matrix. So if I target only on the left hand side, so it will be easier for me to find the operation. So later on, when you solve the left hand side, you move to the right hand side by side, make a space until that, so it will be easier to solve the question. Otherwise it will be difficult side by side if you apply on the right hand side. First you apply only on the left hand side, make a space for the right hand side, and when you get the identity matrix here, this matrix changes into identity matrix, then you apply same operation on the right hand side you already applied on the left hand side. So here what I do, that if I think that this is 1 and this is 3, so I need that in the identity matrix I need here 0 and here 0. So what I do, this is negative, this is positive, so apply in the row 2. Row 2 is plus row 1 and row 3 plus 3 times row 1. So for that I can easily get 0 here and 0 here. So after applying this operation, I get minus 1 1 2 0 3 5 0 4 7. Now my next target is, I have to remove this negative sign from the row 1. So if I multiply row 1 with minus 1, so that give me 1 minus 1, and here it will be minus 2 also, because I multiply with this. Then next is, I check that this number is 1 time greater than this number, so I try to interchange this row with each other, row 2 and row 3. So 0 4 7 and 0 3 5. Then later on, so now I want to make this as 1. So what I do, I apply row 2, that is row 2 minus row 3. I apply it here this operation, and this will give me 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 3 is 1, and 7 minus 5 is 2, and third row as it is. Leave space for here because that we do later after getting my all operations here. So here next is, now I want to make this as 1. So what I do, so I try to change in row 3, then row 3 minus, because I need here 0 and here 1 to make it a identity matrix to fix last row. So I apply the operation row 3 minus 3 times row 2, so that is applied in row 3. So if I applied in row 3, so what I get the answer here after applying, that is 1 minus 1 minus 2, so that is 0 1 2, because there will be no changes in row 2, only we have to change in row 3. So 3 minus 3 becomes 0, and here 5 minus 6 give me minus 1. Now my next target is I have to remove this negative sign from here. So what I do, I multiply row 3 with minus 1. So what it give me, 1 minus 1 minus 2, and 0 1 2, and 0 is 0, and minus plus 1. Okay, leave the space for the right side. Now what will I do? So if I, because I need it here 0 and here 0, so I can add row 1 with row 2. So I need changes here. Okay, so later I need it 0 here, but first I will apply here row 1 plus row 2, and if I also want 0 here, so I can immediately apply on row 2, that is this R2 minus 2 times R3. So immediately if you multiply this 2 and subtract from this, so you get it 0 here. So I apply the two operations here. So I can apply combined operation or separate operation. Like first I want to change this in row 1, so that is R1 plus R2, then later changes in row 2, that is row 2 minus 2 row 3. So after applying this operation, I get the identity matrix here 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Okay, so now move to the right side. So whatever operation I applied on the left side, now I apply on the right side. I already applied the same operation here, multiply with negative sign, interchange the row 2 and row 3. Now I go with row 2 minus row 3, so that gives me minus 1 0 0 2 minus 1 1 1 1 0, then A, because when we subtract row 2 minus row 3, so that give me 1 1 0. So firstly I have to consider in this, try to make it identity matrix, then I move it here to apply same operation on the right side. So next operation was row 3 minus 3 times row 2. When I apply here, so only changes in row 3, so other two rows will be written as it is, like 2 minus 1 1. So now row 3 changes is minus 5 4 and minus 3, because when you multiply this 6, 1 minus 6 minus 5, okay, then 1 plus 3 4, then here will be minus 3, so that is minus 3 and A as it is. Now next operation is row 3 multiply by negative sign. Okay, so when you multiply this by negative sign, so only row 3 changes will be there, 5 4 minus 4 and 3 and A as it is. Okay, so what was my last operation was there, that is first add row 1 with row 2, like here previous in this matrix, row 1 with row 2 and row 2, because first you changes in row 1, so that give me 1 here, 1 minus 1 and 1. Okay, so now other two row as it is. Now we have to go with changes in row 2, row 2 minus 2 times row 3. When you multiply this with 2 and subtract from here, you get minus 8, 7, minus 5, and last row there is no changes, we write as it is, and my required answer is 1 minus 1, 1, this is my last operation, minus 8, 7 minus 5, then 5 minus 4 and 3. So when you look at this, this is identity matrix, this is my required matrix, 1 minus 1, 1, minus 8, 7 minus 5, 5 minus 4, 3, and this A move on, this become A inverse, and this identity matrix one multiply any matrix, so that merge up in that particular matrix. So that is my required A inverse. That was my row operation. Now I move to the next question. I want to do this question with my column operation. So what I will do, same thing. So we have to go with the same concept what we have done in my previous question, but instead of row I am only allowed to use the column. So how I will do, again I go with A with IA, same method. Now I start with this 2 0 minus 1 5 1 0 0 1 3, and here identity matrix of 3 order 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and this is A. Now I am allowed to only column, not any row. Okay, so according to the column I need here first, because I want to convert this into identity matrix, so I apply my first operation, that is column 1 plus column 3. Okay, so when I apply here column 1, so that is column 1 plus column 3, so leave space for that, so I get the result here. So that is 1 0 column 1 plus column 3. So column 1 plus column 3, because I need 1 it here, so this is column 1, this is column 3, so I get the result 1 5 3. So only changes in column 1, other two columns should be right as it is, because we change only in column 1. Now I go with column 3 plus column 1 again, because I need it here 0. So now I apply column 3 plus column 1. So what it will be, that is 1 0 0 5, this column will be written as it is, and only changes in third column, so that is 5, and 3 plus 3 give me 6. Okay, now my next operation is again changes in column 3. Here it is 5, I need it here 0. Okay, so I need it here 1. So what I will do, I will multiply this column with 5 and subtract from here, like column 3. So my operation will be column 3 minus 5 times column 2. So that is my this operation. So when I applied it here, I got the answer 1 0 0 5 1 0 and 3 1, and 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, now diagonal I got it. Okay, so now my this diagonal is fixed, upper triangle is fixed. Now only this 3 numbers is targeted to make it 0. Okay, so now if you think that you finished up to this and you are going correct, you can apply same property here. Instead of going further, whatever you finish, you apply same property here if you think that you are correct. So if I apply with column 1 plus column 3, column 1 plus column 3, so that give me because changes is only in column 1, so other column will be same as it is, 0 0 1. Okay, so next was column 3 plus column 1, so that give me 1 0 because only changes in column 3, so other two column written as it is, column 3 plus column 1, so 1 0 2. Okay, so next is my property is 5 column 3, only changes in column 3, so no need to change it here, so write as it is other columns. So only column 3 minus 5 times column 2, so 1 minus 5, that become 5 into this number is 0, so only 1 is there. So when this multiply by 5, then 0 minus 5 give me minus 5, and this give me 2 as it is, and A. Okay, now I move to next set here. So next is my target is to change in column 1 and column 2, because I need it here 0, I need it here 0 and 0. First I will target to this two terms become 0. Okay, so I apply the property here, that is column 1 minus 3 times column 3 and column 2 minus column 3. So because I want to apply in this column 1 and column 2, because I need here to change in column 1 and column 2, so I applied here 3 times column 3 subtracted from here, because if it is 0, so 1 and 5 there will be no change, and when multiply this by 3, 3 minus 3 become 0. Okay, then next is you have to add column 2, sorry, subtract column 2 minus column 3. Okay, because I need it here 0, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, and here because 0 is there, there will be no change. And my required answer after applying this property is, that is there is 0 5 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, so now only this 5 is left to remove. So what I do, only when this column multiply by 5, subtract from here, I can easily get it here 0. So column 1 minus 5 times column 2, so that is applied in column 1. So after that I will get directly my identity matrix 0 1 0 0 0 1. Now same property I apply it here, so I will get the answer here. So property was column 1 minus 3 times column 3, so only changes in column 1 and column 2, that means last column will be right as it is. So if I go with column 1 minus 3 times column 3, I get it here in this column minus 2 15 and minus 5, because 3 5s are 15. Okay, so now next is column 2 minus column 3, column 2 minus column 3, so this column 2 minus column 3, so that will be minus 1, and 1 minus minus 5 give me 6, and here minus 2. So only changes in this two columns, and last column written as it is. So my required answer here will be, after applying this operation, like minus 2 minus 1 1 15 6 minus 5 minus 5 minus 2 and 2. Okay, now my last operation was left, so that is only changes in column 1, that means these two columns are fixed, minus 1 6 minus 2 1 minus 5 and 2. So column 1 minus 5 times column 2, so that is minus 2 minus 5, so minus 5, so already here is minus 2, right, already here is minus 2, and when you multiply this column 2 with 5, this column 2 with 5, and minus 2 minus 5 plus 5, so minus 2 plus 5 give me 3. Okay, so now next is 15 minus 30. So 15 minus 30 give me minus 15. Now here minus 5 and plus 10, minus 5 plus 10 give me 5. So that is my required. This is identity. A inverse go it here, and 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2. This is my required A inverse. So that is 3 minus 1 1 minus 15 6 minus 5 5 minus 2 2.